So what's going on today? We got the call.
Yeah.
She's hitting the walls and other objects.
Just going through something. I did not mean to shoplift. I totally realized that I didn't bring my purse.
On August 10th, 2022, a phone call was made regarding a shoplifting incident at a super Target. It was reported that a woman was observed by loss prevention walking past the point of sale with 2 grocery carts filled with stolen goods.
So much cooler in here. All right, so what do we have together?
Loss prevention reported 5 different incidents of a woman loading up her Porsche with stolen groceries. What made matters worse is that this was her second time coming back within a 24-hour period.
The one from July 29th, and then the other
Okay, so
one
those
is
are the only 2 we're
reception.
addressing today.
Right.
Okay.
If you want to just proceed with this one right now, the one from today, we can. If you want to wait for the statement from this one.
It doesn't
which
matter.
I previously done.
If you have that together,
I don't have the
I'll take
statement.
them both.
I just have the intent.
You witnessed everything? Saw it? Saw
This.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so yeah, if you want to... Right.
The other one, I have clear as day footage of her not even touching a check lane.
Right.
She didn't pay for anything in that.
Well, you know, if you'd like to, if you want to come out with me, we'll talk to her. Or if you'd like to speak to her at any time, you're more than welcome to. She's requesting that.
Okay.
Do the trespass and everything. If you want to ask her about the other day, or she'll ask you.
Yeah.
Maybe she'll say something to you.
There's a couple of like little things that I say when I'm interviewing them myself, so I'll just start with the same way.
Yeah, however you like. We're going to talk again for a minute. We're going to talk again for a minute. All right.
Hey, how's it going?
You stay in there.
Can I please talk to you?
Yeah, I'm here to talk. So just before we even start, in order for me to even be able to call the police or do anything like this, make any type of detainment, I have to have a full investigation of information that has no wiggle room, okay? So when you were here on the 29th, I also know you were here yesterday and you did absolutely nothing. I watched you the whole time that you were here. You were here. I have your plate. I have pictures of your plates. I have movements the entire time you're in the store. But on the 29th when you were here of July, and you made the selections of the LOL supply, of the LOL dolls and things along those lines. So the footage that I have is of your doppelganger. It's not of you?
No, I didn't say that.
Okay.
I can't recall being here yesterday.
That's fine.
That was the photo I showed you also.
And
You
which
identified as being
photo?
yourself too.
That's definitely me.
Okay.
I'm more than willing to pay everything that you have, and even if I have to pay a fine. But I'm just not in the right state of my mind because I've gone through a procedure and I'm on some medication. You can check my phone.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. So in regards to the making of the payments, I'm not trying to be mean about this, right? Unfortunately, at this point, it has to go through court proceedings, right? However, if you're not feeling well and things along those lines, please let them know because there are resources that are available for you and things like that, right?
Yeah,
just be honest about everything because that's what's going to indicate what's going to happen moving forward. So saying that maybe you weren't here or that you didn't do these things, I have footage of them.
It sounds, and I have not denied that I have been here, but like when you said I was here yesterday, I can't even recall being here.
Not yesterday,
To be perfectly honest with
The
you.
29th.
She was here yesterday.
Oh, was it
She just
yesterday?
didn't do anything. I was just using that in this. You parked you parked right over there. You walked in the store, looked at kids' shoes, walked around the store for a literal minute and a half, and then exited the store again.
I don't remember.
And
I
that's
think
perfectly fine. If you don't remember that, then I would suggest that you let somebody know that.
I really, really would appreciate if I can go ahead and pay for all the losses that you guys have had because of my situation. And if we don't take it to the jail, I have 4 children, and I'm really sorry that I've caused this.
Yeah.
But I'm more than happy to just pay the loss and whatever fine I have to pay and not having to deal with jail or anything because I feel like because of my situation it's probably going to get even worse. And if there is a way to settle this, I would really, really appreciate it.
Unfortunately, the best way that this is going to get paid is through restitution at this point. There will be an opportunity for you to pay it back and maybe some type of closure on the case through that, but prior incidents and you literally just walked out the door with $1,000 of merchandise today.
All right. So before we talk, I just need to read your rights, okay? So you understand. All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney present now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you without cost. If you talk to me, you will have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand these rights as explained? And will you talk to me? You willing to speak with me?
There are signal zeros inside the rest of
So what's going on today? We got the call.
Yeah.
He's hitting the walls and other objects.
Just going through something. I did
Okay.
not mean to shoplift. I totally realized that I didn't bring my purse. I was coming in here and I was going to go back and have someone come in and help me out and pay for everything. And I'm more than happy to pay for it.
How many items did you bring with you?
I don't even know. I'm not in the right set of my mind. I'm
Okay.
just recently
So obviously there's several large. I mean, what did you grab that you remember from the store?
I remember a large box.
Take a seat.
And another large box.
Okay, 2 large boxes. Okay.
I recently lost my aunt out of COVID, and
I'm sorry
I
to hear
just
that.
realized that I just came in and I didn't pay for it altogether, and I just realized that I need to have someone come and help me, and I was just about to go in and have someone come and take me back and help me out.
Help you to pay for everything you just took out of the store and loaded up. Okay.
Would you please let me go and pay for
Okay. Obviously, some of those items on the back seat belong to Target. I have a Target employee here. All right. If you're all right, I'm gonna have them retrieve their items in the back. Is it a back seat? Are you okay with me retrieving Target's items?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Would you?
All right. Yep. Hold on one second. We're gonna get you. So she says she's just going through a hard time, and she totally forgot to pay.
Yeah. I have
obviously, how much of this is?
This is all us.
Okay.
This is
She's already
our
given me
brand.
permission to go in there and retrieve anything that belongs to Target anyway. So.
Take this and get an itemized list for you.
Yeah. So we'll verify what's yours. And before you put anything up, I'll need to get photographs and all that as well. Okay. So I'm assuming you want to tell me yay, nay. I'm assuming yes.
Absolutely. This is not mine. That's her
That is
personal
her purse
belongings.
right
this
now.
This is all of our
Just set that up on the front for right now.
This is also ours. This is also ours. This
So everything in here is yours?
ours. Yes, this is all us.
Okay.
Very consistent with the stuff that she's previously stolen as well. That's all us. That's all our brand. I don't even sell it anywhere else.
She's got an entire car full.
Yes. Yes. Earth in hand. Yes.
If you're good on this, I can hand it to her and you can go do your thing if you're good with
Thank
it.
you.
For it to be, I'm assuming.
Yeah, we need a couple of them. They will not take her medications. Leave that here. See if she wants to bring her purse. Or if we get a contact for somebody. Oops, sorry. That's a lot of stuff, not just a couple boxes.
I know.
That's like a couple shopping carts full.
I know.
How many trips did you make today?
Just one trip. I
That's a whole-
promise to you. I'm not-
That's a full cart. Okay. Well,
It's
here's the deal. The store wants to prosecute. Okay. So they wish to prosecute. So you are under arrest for retail theft. Okay. Your purse is in there. They can't take medications into the jail or anything like that. Do you want your purse with you?
Yes,
You have your ID in your purse.
I do.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna bring the purse back, and then I'll get the ID out. I have to make sure there's no weapons or anything inside.
And the phone too.
Hmm?
My children are asking for the phone too.
Are they? Father? Anybody we can call about the car?
Yes, I can call.
Oh, well, okay. We'll get to that information in just a moment.
We do sell them, but I can't substantiate that that came from us, so you can leave that one behind.
Hello. I'm going to pull up a little bit. Sorry about that.
The woman was arrested and charged with grand theft. She received a 3-month probation sentence. It was later revealed that she worked as an immigration lawyer. However, despite her profession, She was arrested again after about 2 months later.